Keep watching to the end for our free offer.
Everybody, your crew, made us feel at ease. Everybody's very professional.
Well, we selected you guys because your bid was the most comprehensive, where we felt like we really understood what was going on with our roof and what we needed to replace and things like that.
We knew the roof was a concern when we bought the house. There's some hail damage in the area, was never taken care of at the time that it happened.
It has been an easy process for us.
Well, I have just been very satisfied.
Well, I Googled roofing companies in Knoxville.
You're taking the old roof off and you realize there was damage there that needed to be taken care of. You jumped right on it, got the wood done.
And it's all in the details, but they did a nice job. I'd recommend it.
Thank you so much, Randy. Much appreciated.
Free roof inspection video and payments as low as $79. Call Litespeed Construction when roof quality counts.
Want to catch problems around your house before they start? Visit litespeedconstruction.com/free checklist and find out what to watch for.